Hello there, you beautiful people, and welcome to this section of the Python Bible on Python classes. Now, in this lecture, I'm going to give you an overview of what to expect from this section of the course, and by the end of the lecture, you should have a good idea of where we're going and what to expect next. So in this section, we're going to be learning all about object-oriented programming, or OOP, in Python. OOP is an incredibly powerful and popular programming discipline that helps us make codified representations of real-world objects. First, we're going to learn about what objects are, what classes are, and how the two relate to each other. This is going to give you a good conceptual framework for what the heck is actually going on. Then we're going to jump right in and start creating objects. You're going to learn about creating classes, creating objects, and also how to define class methods and class variables and how all of these different things tie together. You're also going to learn about class constructors and class destructors and how to use them to set up and destroy your objects automatically. In this section, we're basically going to scale up from modeling a coin object to modeling a set of coins, all the way up to modeling our very own bank. We're going to use classes to create bank accounts for different people and allow them to deposit and withdraw money, just like in real life. So basically, in this section, you're going to learn all about object-oriented programming Python and use it to make your very own bank by the end of it. How awesome. So let's not waste any time and jump right into the next video, where we're going to learn all about classes and objects. Time is money, after all.